What's up, everybody? It's your boy Jakey now, or Jakey the Entertainer. Today we are going to start by doing a reaction video. So this is going to be a Family Guy reaction video. It's going to be every time that Surfing Bird has been played or mentioned in Family Guy, and this is as of 2024, so it's obviously very recent. And of course, there's been new episodes of Family Guy that have come out, obviously recently too. Um, I do like Family Guy quite a bit. I definitely watched it a lot on my own. So hopefully you guys will enjoy this video, and let me know if there's any other reaction videos that you would like to see me do. But let's hop right into it. No. Stewie. No. I haven't seen these. Wow. What the heck? Oh my god. All right. So that is apparently bird is the word. Um, yeah, that was Family Guy. Bird is the word. Um, update obviously as far as or as of 2024. I saw like maybe the first half, but like the second half, I was like, wow, I've definitely not seen um, the more recent bird is the word uh, moments, but definitely some of them definitely caught me off guard. That is for sure. But hopefully you guys enjoyed this video, and let me know in the comments. Let me know any other recommendations you would like to see of videos you would like to see me react to next. And I will see you guys in the next video. And make sure to join the entertainment family. Hopefully you guys have a good one, and we'll see you next time. Bye bye.